Hello everyone, my name is Han. Today I will talk about an article called Lessons of Lucasfilm's Habitats, which is written by the Chips Monero start and Rodin Farmer in 1990s. It's the time the network industry just began. Habitat is a game which made by the Lucasfilm in 1987. And this article is talk about the short supplies of this game and some possible future. At that time, it's that the internet industry just began. No Facebook, no Twitter, no social medias. Habitat is the first time people try to make an online multi-user environment. It's an innovation of the media, and in this game, the user can have a highly freedom. You can do whatever you want, such as go marry or even the divorces. Also, Habitat is a further runner of the MMORPG nowadays, and it become a benchmark for the designs of online communities for today's. Then I will talk about the summary for this article. This article is mainly talk about the defensively of the game Habitats and the things the authors want to learn from this game. Let's talk about 5 things. The importance of the build a multi-user environment, the lack of communication blendware resources, the necessary of object-oriented data representation, and the needs of the implementation platform is optional, and the significance of data communication standards. Also, in the article, they also write about something about the problem in this game, such as the failures game events, the game's bug, and the region creation. And the digital tools they also write about is home computers. People use the home computer to log in this game, and in the end, let's talk about 2 future discussion. The first is about the centralized backend, and the other one is the investigation of the user's configuration. Then I will talk about the related ideas. Today is from the article. The article talking about some problems that people should work on and learn from the game's Habitats. And most of those problems are being solved in nowadays, such as the multi-user environments. There are many different social medias in nowadays, such as the Facebook, Twitter, blog. And those social medias help people to make the cyberspace become a multi-user environment. Also, there are many different MMORPG in the world, such as the WW. I think this game is the one of the famous MMORPG in the world, and I think it's the best MMORPG in the world. And also, there are some problems in the game that the article write about, such as the region creation. And this problem also be solved in nowadays. There are many games already have the function to let the player to build the game world by themselves. Minecraft is one of the good example. I think many one know these games. But however, that's not all the problem will be solved. The game bug is case in point. Now the company can say their game have no bug. And this problem will make many troubles. I think the most famous one is the correlated blood bug. It's a bug in the World War, but it's a very long story, so I will not explain it here. And maybe you are interested, you can go to search from the internet. Well, that's all of my videos. Thank you for watching.